Hey, this is Z, small scale development here. Today is November 17th and we are at the Washington Townhouses. And today we've got the plumbing going in the foundation. So you can see here in the background we've got the foundation dug out. We backfilled it with gravel, so you can see where it, this unit hasn't yet been dug into, but this one we've got it dug into, and they're starting to lay the sewer lines. So just come across here. So you got the sewer lines here, and then what happens is they pop out here through the foundation, and we'll get four lines coming out from the townhouse. So there's four spots where they come out, one for each unit, and then they will come into one singular line that goes out to the street, and then that will we'll have a street cut for that sewer line and a sewer to tap. And then for this building here, same thing. You can see the lines drawn out here for where they will dig for the sewer lines. This side will have four lines, one for each unit, coming out into the center part of the property and then running down out to the street there. And what we will do here at the street, we'll put in a street cut. We do the street cut, which then taps into the sewer line. So we'll have one street cut, and we'll put both sewer lines that run down this property, one for each property, one for each building, and then they will tap into the main sewer line. And then we'll do the same thing with the water lines, although those we run a little bit differently. We will have one line for each unit, and we will have 4 meters, one for each unit. So we'll have we'll run 2 taps to the street for the building. Those 2 taps, each tap will have 2 meters on it. So it will then give us 4 meters per building. And the sewer taps here anyway, each one is, I think it's $5.75 per tap, and each street cut I think is $4.25, or maybe it's the other way around. I can't remember offhand. Maybe cheap. It's pretty reasonably priced, I think, here. So you may find it a lot more expensive where you are, but in any case, it's typically $1,000 one tap, one street cut. But we try to minimize that as much as possible. So that's why we're going to do one street cut for the water lines on this property with 2 meters. But we'll do one street cut with 2 taps, and then same thing for the sewer. There'll be one street cut, 2 taps, and then on the far side we'll again have one street cut, 2 taps for those 4 water lines. Hopefully that made a little sense. I know it might be a little bit confusing, but that's hopefully you got the gist there, and we can talk about that more later if you have questions. That's all for today. Thanks.